Artificial intelligence has come a long way in recent years, but the truth is it is just getting started. The next wave of AI will bring even more powerful capabilities and profound changes to our world.
Artificial intelligence has been threatening everyone's jobs, including interpreters. An accurate interpretation can be the difference between a good or bad.
हेलो एवरीवन, आप सब ने एआई रेगुलेशन के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा, लेकिन क्या आप जानते हैं एआई की मदद से आप अपने सोशल मीडिया पर कैसे ग्रो कर सकते हैं? ये मैं नहीं, ये HubSpot का ये रिपोर्ट बता रहा है। इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखना, आपके लिए कुछ ऐसा है जो आपके लिए रिवॉर्ड साबित हो सकता है। So without wasting time, let's get started.
8 in 10 marketers say they plan to create more content next year than they did this year. Now, generative AI is here and it's positioned to be one of these time-saving tools. In this video, we'll talk about prompts, marketing and content strategy, limitations of generative AI, and my final thoughts. Generative AI can be accessed directly through a large language model or an AI application like ChatGPT, Gemini AI. Prompts are the input that people give the AI to set the direction for what it generates. Prompts themselves are just a natural language, the normal speech patterns that humans use in everyday communications. So the barrier entry is low. But there is a skill in developing great prompts that determine the quality of an output that AI can generate. Suppose you ask a question to ChatGPT that explain the difference between a data breach and a data hack. A data breach is an incident where sensitive, confidential or otherwise protected data has been accessed by unauthorized user. A hack is an attempt to exploit a system's vulnerabilities in order to gain access to information or disrupt its operation.
So prompts can be simple. They are best when they are intentional.
Look at the first picture. An impressionist painting of an older man under a blanket sitting next to fireplace, peaceful and calm. And now look at the second picture. An impressionist painting of an older man under a blanket sitting next to a fireplace, bright, rich and spirited. Now as you can see, simply changing the keywords from peaceful, calm to bright, rich and spirited creates an entirely different field to the outcome. Now it's time to discuss about marketing and content strategy. Generative AI can be used in a wide range of scenarios, from generating custom marketing copy and creating images for a website to creating product description and writing blog post. It can also be used to package your existing content into full campaign or translate an idea into different languages.
You may like one of these angles. Regardless, AI offers a head start.
Now let's discuss how to create accompanying visuals. Stock photo sites are often the very definition of wild goose chase. You spend valuable time hunting for the project image for your blog post or ebook and end up with the result that's subpar or too expensive. Then you finally pay for a few images only to be hunted by all the other places you see those images and photos used online. If you don't have a design team or are looking for a new ideas for visuals, generative AI can be a great option. And now see about synthesized research, where generative AI can help you too. And the cherry on the top is you can turn a post into a full campaign. Co-founder of Mixpanel, Neil Patel, shared a thought about marketing, and that is, good channels eventually become saturated and it's too risky if your marketing is slowly based on one channel. On the other side of marketing, you can also test ad and landing pages via generative AI, which helps you in lead generation and sales outreach.
जेनरेटिव एआई अभी अपना अर्ली स्टेज पर है। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि एआई सब कुछ कर सकता है। On the basis of report, there are some limitations of AI, like number 1, original research, number 2, fact checking, number 3, provide lived experience, number 4, ensure quality.
इतना सब कुछ जानने के बाद now you are thinking about that AI will replace your job. इस टॉपिक पर हम अगले वीडियो में बात करेंगे। अभी फिलहाल टॉपिक पर वापस आते हैं। What are the limitations of generative AI? Now first things first. Can AI do original research? AI can't conduct original research or conduct analysis. Similarly, AI can't do these things.
Okay, let's move on to the final part of the video.
I will say this is just the beginning of generative AI in our every step. Generative AI has potential to revolutionize how content creators, develop their ideas, and create new work. History has repeatedly shown us that when you remove barriers to generating and conveying ideas, periods of immense productivity follow. There's still a lot to learn and improve about the technology. Generative AI is on its way to drastically evolving how to content teams operate and business grow.
As I mentioned earlier, there is a surprise for you. If you want to read the full article, please check the description box. If the video adds some value in your life, please hit the like and subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.